mother and baby bonding. This is our son Isaac with his mother Laura, who is my partner. We've produced a lovely baby who brings joy to our life every second of the day. Our challenge is to raise our son in the best way we possibly can, so he has a good future and he's a good person in society, a good human. He will help others and not just himself, but he will take care of himself in his future. Yeah, but don't move that position, Laura. And keep your breast covered, yeah. Because this goes on YouTube. And see, son having a good play with his mum's face. He did it to my face earlier on. This is good contact.
Mommy's nose.
Isaac. Talk to him.
Isaac. Ow. Ow.
This is called baby talk. When adults speak back to the baby in the tone of a baby voice.
New favourite word, isn't it? I'd like to be a dinosaur.
There he goes. 2 days ago, Isaac started making this noise like a dinosaur. He roars like a T-Rex. This is all part of his speech development. The first words was argu. He kept saying argu. And now it's like a T-Rex.
Cuckoo. Isn't that on his hair?
Never say never. When things have all gone wrong in your life, when you've had a family, everything gone wrong, you've lost your children, gone through a divorce, and same thing with partner, she's had her bad luck. You all can start again and meet someone else and start a family again and be even better. Never say never. The same way you do in businesses or any successful sport you do, the failure is a starting point to succeed. Many failures are made from, many success stories are made from failures. Yeah, keep your breast covered. You just spoil the whole video, so I'll put it on YouTube.
Rah. You dinosaur.
Oh, there he goes. T-Rex.
T-Rex.
There he goes.
Make lots of dinosaur sounds. Got Velociraptor.
Here he goes.